Guys, if you remember, I made this caddy out of a box. I'll put the link below. So I wanted to share the aesthetically satisfying of pouring the OxyClean into the container, but it didn't go as planned. So I decided to keep the footage and share it with y'all. Let me know how funny this was to you. Satisfying fail. We still gonna post this as a video. This is a satisfying fail, y'all. So I'm just gonna put it as a regular video. Like these lumps in here. Ah! Something for y'all to laugh at. Y'all, literally, I just cleaned the stove because they coming to pick it up. I can't. I absolutely cannot. I can't. Ain't nothing satisfying about this. This is a satisfying comedy fail. This is what happens behind the scenes when people try to do those aesthetically satisfying videos. You have so many takes and stuff just don't come out smooth. But I'm showing you the truth, okay? This is the truth. Come on. We still gotta fill it up. Wait, let's go with the... Yeah. Boom. Look, it's about to clog up again. I can't wait to post this. This is gonna be too funny. It's too many lumps, right? Yes. Okay, now this should give us a good finish. You would think. Oh. Let's go. Wait, don't let the lump go. Don't let the lump. It's almost there. Ah! Okay. Well, we're getting some. We're getting some. Take the lump out. Oh gosh. Too funny.
Yes, guys. Doesn't this just make you want to go to sleep?
Really? Is it another lump?
It's tiny ones. Like, they keep getting
stuck.
stuck.
They are. Look, y'all. I had to break them up.
It's still...
Pour it. See if it'll let you pour it this way. So didn't... Oh! I forgot it was some in the tunnel. Okay, it's over. How satisfying. It's over.